Good morning, students. Today we will do this problem question from the VTU primer, isometric projection. Isometric projection of a tetrahedron resting on a rectangular slab of 16 to 18 to 20 mm. What is meant by tetrahedron? That you have to understand. Tetrahedron is a solid having four triangular surfaces of equal area. Four triangular surfaces of equal area. It is different from triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid will have three triangles of the same area and the base triangle is of different area. Whereas in tetrahedron, all the four triangular faces are of equal area. That's the one difference you should note before starting the question. Now, in another important point to note is in tetrahedron, they give only tetrahedron of size 45 mm. Only one dimensions they give. Tetrahedron of size 45 mm only they give. They don't give the height of the tetrahedron. Like in pyramid, they used to give the length of the base side and the height of the pyramid. Here, they don't give the height of the pyramid. They just give the tetrahedron of size 45 mm. Means base side is also 45, slant height is also 45. This is the one thing we should notice for tetrahedron. Now we'll go to solid edge. First, we'll draw the top view of the tetrahedron. Top view of the tetrahedron is 45 mm equilateral triangle. So start with 40 the length. Before that, type of the line is dark line. 40 the length. First angle is 0. Next 45 maybe. Wait. Yeah, 45. First length is 45. Angle is 0. Next 45. Next angle is 120 degree. Next angle length is 45. Angle is minus 120 degree. So this is how we construct a equilateral triangle of 45 mm. Let us show the dimension. Now rotate it such that its edges come to your left side. Means resting resting on the edge. Rotate it. This is the apex. This is the center of the base. Rotate by an angle of 90 degree, and then move it and keep it in a proper place. Switch off the copy and keep it in a proper place. Then this is the top view. So draw an XY line, VPHP. Above the XY line is VP, below the XY line is HP, because first quadrant. Then name it. This is A, B, C. Then make a projection. Here we have to find out the center of the triangle. How to find the center of the triangle? By joining the median. That is, a median is a line connecting a corner of the triangle to the center of the opposite edge, like this. Find out the scroll on the AC and find out the center point symbol. You can see the symbol adjacent to the cursor. Once you get it, left click it. Similarly, start from A and scroll on BC, reach the midpoint, get the midpoint symbol and left click it. Once more, starting from C, scroll on AB, get the midpoint symbol and click it. So this is the center of the triangle. From here, draw one thin line. Again from here, draw the axis. Axis height we don't know, but draw some height. Then slant height is given as 45 mm. Slant height, that is arc by center point. Take a arc, draw 45, enter, and then trim it off. Then join them by dark line. Join the apex to the base. This is the base. Join like this. Then this is 45. We have to find out the vertical height, 41.94. 41.94. Sorry, vertical height you have to take up to axis only. So trim this. It comes to 36.74. Then what else is required? Naming here. This is A dash, C dash. This is B dash. This is apex O dash. Okay. Now enclose this in a box. Then let us name it. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Find out the this distance AB are 1 and 2. 38.97. Find out the distance between this point and this point. Okay, with this we will start the isometric projection. Okay, now go to line command. We'll first construct a rectangular slab of 60 by 80 into 20. 60 is the length. First angle is 30 degree. Next 80 is the second length and angle is 150 degree. Third length is again 60. Angle is minus 150 degree. Then again length is 80 and angle is minus 80 and angle minus 30 degree. The height of the prism given is 20 mm. Draw vertical line 20 mm, angle 90 degree. Then go to select tool. Select all these 4 sides. Then move. Switch on the copy. Move from this corner. Keep it at the tip of the vertical line of 20 mm. Then connect the top face of the prism to the bottom face. So this is the isometric view of the rectangular prism. In rectangle isometric projection, you don't see the hidden edges. So delete this hidden edges. Okay. Dimensioning is not compulsory. For your information, I am just showing this is 80, this is 60, and this is 20. Now find out the center of the diagonal rectangular top face of the rectangular face. This is the midpoint. Scroll on this line, get the midpoint symbol. Now again, we have to on this we have to keep a tetrahedron. This is the tetrahedron 1, 2, 3, 4. First, we have to make a box of 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 38.97 and 45. 38.97 and 45. Go to line command. Type here 38.97 and angle is 30. Then 45 angle is 150. Then 38.97 angle is minus 150. Then again 45 angle is minus 30.
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
Okay.
ಫೈರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತವರೆಗೂ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
Then name it. This is 1. Sorry, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now within this box we have to make the triangle, isometric view of the triangle AB. AB runs throughout the length of 1 and 4. So let me draw a line from 1 to 4, a dark line. Again from 4, B we have to find out. B is the center point of 2 and 3. This is the center point of 1. Okay, this is the isometric projection of the triangular lamina. Now find out the center of the triangular lamina again. We know how to find out. Join a draw the median. Median is a line from the corner of the triangle to the center of the opposite edge. From this corner, opposite edge. This is the center of the opposite edge. Likewise, draw the line, 3 lines from all the 3 corners. Now, we have to move this, select this now, and move from the center of the triangle and keep it on the center of the rectangle like this. Then come out and right click, then go to line command, take a chain line, 0.13 is the line width. From the point of intersection of the center of the triangle, draw the axis. Axis height is equal to 36.74, vertical height 36.74, and angle is 90 degree. Okay, then change the line type to continuous. 0.5 is the line width. From the apex, connect to all the corners of the triangle. Okay. Now in isometric projection, we generally do not show the hidden edges. So zoom it, trim the hidden edges. This is hidden one. This is also hidden one. There's one more small line. Zoom it further once more and trim it up, this line. Okay, done. This is the isometric projection of the tetrahedron resting on a rectangular prism. Now we have to reduce it to isometric scale. For that, select the entire thing. Go to scale command here. Within the move command, click here. You have the scale command. Click on the scale command and the scale factor. It's asking you the scale factor and the ribbon bar, which is by default 1 is there. You enter 0.816. Now all the dimensions will be reduced by 0.816. So it is a 60 mm has become 48.96, 80 mm has become 65.28, 20 has become 16. This is the end of the question.